Diamond Contracting installing new James Hardie fiber cement siding on this Overland Park home after the hailstorm in April. This particular homeowner is getting an entire new exterior. He had damage to his roof. All of these windows were broken out and boarded over. And the siding was starting to show its age. Diamond Contracting is Kansas City's James Hardie fiber cement siding installer. If you're interested in having home renovations done by Diamond Contracting, you can visit us on the net at www.diamondcompanies.net. Or you can just give us a call at 913-829-8665.